Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. This is a lesson for the song Happy Birthday to You. I'm going to teach you the song, and it's a fairly basic song. There are 3 chords in the song. Those chords are the 1 chord, the heart of the song. Let's call it C major. Right? Happy birthday to, and then we move up to the G major. You, which is the 5 chord, circle of fifths. Happy birthday to, we come back to the C. I'll denote that as the 1 chord. And then happy birthday, dear, to the F, to the chord below the C. F major, happy C major, birthday, G major, to you. So again, 3 chords, like so many songs. We have the C, the G, and the F. The 1, the 5, and the 4. Why am I teaching you the song like this? You'll notice that when I try to sing the song, Happy Birthday to You, it's quite high for me. Oftentimes, when you're playing an instrument, when you're playing the accordion in a group setting, you want to have a key that will fit people's voices. We don't always want to play the song in C major. There might be another musician there, a horn player who wants to play in B flat. So when we understand the relation between chords, rather than remembering the song is C, G, F, we can remember it as the 1 chord, B flat to the, come up, F, F to B flat, happy birthday, dear. Whatever chord that is, it's C flat. Ba-da, happy birthday to you. Becomes a lot more easier to sing. I could play this in E major. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear, your name. Happy birthday to you. That's the ease with which we can transpose the left hand of the accordion, especially when it comes time to singing Happy Birthday. It's that easy. It's the 1 chord to the 5 chord, 5 to the 1, 1 to the 4, 4 to the 1, 5, 1. And that's the kind of practice that we do for the left hand. Learn how to switch chords and have full lessons on that. How do we figure out the melody? Let's come back to C major. I have lessons on how to figure out major and minor chords. Right now, we're just dealing with major chords. We need to know that the notes of the C major chord are C, E, and G. You can plot the sheet music for Happy Birthday, but the reality of it is, you're in a setting, it's someone's birthday, you happen to have your accordion, you're not pulling out the sheet music. You're not playing the song by looking down at sheet music. You want to look at the faces around you. You want to be a part of the experience. So, C major. The melody almost always reveals itself through the notes of the chord. This is the big ethos, the big thing to remember, that the melody of a song revolves around the notes of the chord, which means Happy Birthday will start with a C, an E, or a G. Is it Happy Birthday to... No. Is it E major? Happy birthday. No. Is it G? Happy birthday. I'm playing the left-hand chord and trying to play the melody, just trying, with my right hand. Was it Happy Birthday? No. Was it Happy Birthday? No. Was it Happy Birthday? It is. Awesome. The next note will also likely be a part of that C major. We said the C major is E, C, E, and G. So we have G, and it's going to go up likely to the C or the E. So, happy birthday to... There it is. It went up to the C. We're switching chords to the G. The notes of Happy Birthday will now include very much the notes of the G chord. G, B, and D. It's a little bit confusing, but watch. G major. There's my G major, and the main note is B. The B note is the third note of the G major chord. And then happy birthday. My finger is already on the D, maybe the B, because that's the G major chord. Right, the D, because that's the G major chord. Now we're coming back to the C major chord, and our right hand is playing the C note. Next, I made a mistake. I thought it was going to come down to the E, but it's coming down to the G. Happy. Where is birthday? Happy. We're still in C major, so I'm assuming happy birthday will come to the G, or the birthday will come to the GC or the CE, because that's my C major chord. Happy birthday, dear. Amazing. Why is this amazing? Because the notes that I'm singing are the notes of the chord. Birthday, dear. C, G, E, C. That's a C major chord. We're landing on that A, which is a part of the F major chord. And I know that that's the right note because I'm an F major and I'm playing the F note. Again, let me play through the song in C major. Oh. Fingers already at the F. In rhythm, C major, G major, G major, C major, C major to F major, C major, G, C. Let's look at the power of this. I'm moving my finger here. I don't know what chord this is. I still don't know what it is. It's C sharp. I don't know how to play in C sharp, but I know that the C sharp major chord is this. And the notes of Happy Birthday will be in those notes. A flat or G sharp. Because I'm an F sharp major. I could go anywhere else in A flat or anywhere else. I can play the song in E flat. I've been playing for a long time, so I've been doing a lot of my 15 minutes of practice, which is how you get better at doing this. C major triads together and separate. Up and down. C major scale, same kind of thing. Moving between chords. The 1, 4, 5, 1. I have so many lessons about this over on Accordion Love, but once you become familiar with chords and their voicings, your fingers fall into place. And you can start completing the sound. It becomes a lot easier to play. One other tip, I have a lesson on how to get big groups of people to start singing together. We start on the 5 chord. So again, if we're playing in C major, we don't just go, happy birthday to you, because if you're in a group of people, half the people will be singing in different key. The way to get everyone to start together at the same time and on the same, in singing the same key, is by playing the 5 chord. The 5 chord in C major is the G. Happy birthday to you. You're giving a prompt. If we're singing in E major, I'm going to play the B as the prompt. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Right? It brings everyone together. Hold that 5 chord. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. That 5 chord creates tension, especially if I'm doing the 7 chord on the 5. F7. Happy birthday to you. Wonderful. I have full lessons about all this on accordionlove.com. I hope this helps. Enjoy playing Happy Birthday.